Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into P21 for the first time, how to log out, and the proper way to close tabs. So you should have been given a URL for your P21. 99.9% of the people are on the web version now, especially if it's a new company to P21. So when you put that URL in, you're going to get into the sign-in page. Now, as you can see, I have mine login and password saved to this. This is my personal computer at home. I would recommend, if you're in an office environment, do not save your login and password. You don't want somebody just logging in as you at your PC. But once you put your username and password in, you just click login. If you don't know your username and password, make sure you get with your system admin, who's ever in charge of running your P21. A lot of people use the Windows authentication login. Some other people create logins and passwords themselves. So just verify with them, and then you simply just click login. You're going to land on the main menu. Now yours may look differently depending how new or old your P21 is. I don't have much on my landing page here, just a little widget, but yours could look a little bit different than this. I'm going to open up a window and show you how you should properly close your tabs. A lot of us want to click the X at the top because that's what we're used to with window browsing. I always recommend using the close button in the P21 windows. It's the surefire way to let you know that, hey, have you saved this? Have you not saved this? Newer versions have allowed or have added a feature where if you try to close a tab, it'll tell you haven't saved, but your version may not have that. So it's always the best habit to just click the close button within the tab. Close and rebuild is if you're having some problems or somebody made changes on the screen. You don't really need to use close and rebuild every time. You just hit close. And if you hadn't saved, it would tell you, are you sure you want to close? You haven't saved. Now, to simply log out of the system, you find a little person icon, you click on it, and there's a logout button. Now, one thing it's going to do is it's going to tell you, hey, if you have any other tabs open, we're going to close all of them. So if you forgot to close out, make sure you go double check, hit no, go double check, save, and then come back. Also, don't just close the main P21 tab when you're trying to exit. It can cause some login issues. So make sure you're logging out correctly, and then just hit yes, and it'll take you back to the login screen. If you have questions about this or any other videos, you can put those comments down below. If you have ideas for other videos, put that in the comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow us for more videos. Until next time.